Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's your girl Chioma as always. So guys, today we'll be making donuts. Yeah, Nigerian donuts. We'll be making both round and twisted donuts. Yeah, you heard me, round and twisted donuts. In Nigeria we call it donuts. In Ghana they call it buffet. So what they call it in your own country, you can leave it in the comment section. So guys, make sure you hit the subscription button. If you have not subscribed, please, I'm begging you, subscribe to my channel, watch till the end, comment, share, like. Yeah guys, so the first thing I'll be doing is to sieve my all-purpose flour. I'll be making use of 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then after sieving it, I will add my sugar. I'm making use of half cup of sugar because it's a homemade donut. I don't need too much sugar in it, so I'll be adding my half cup of sugar. After adding my sugar, I'll be adding my yeast. I'll be making use of half tablespoon of yeast. Please check my description box, you will see all the things I'm using for my donut. So after adding the yeast, I will grate in my nutmeg. Yeah, I always love the flavor it gives to my donuts. After that, I'll mix all together. All these are my dry ingredients. You will first of all mix all the dry ingredients you will use for your donut before adding the liquid ones. Keep watching. When making donuts, just know that you have to make use of your hands, so make sure you wash your hands very well. So I'll use my hands to mix it. As you can see, I've mixed all together. So I'll be adding my butter. I'm making use of 2 tablespoons of butter. That is it, I measured it. 2 tablespoons of butter. You mix all together. After that, make sure you mix very well, and please wash your hands very well. Cleanliness is next to godliness, remember that. So guys, after mixing it, I will be adding my egg. I'll be making use of 2 eggs. So I'll be adding my 2 eggs. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. After that, you mix all together. Yeah. After mixing, you will add your milk. I'll be making use of 1/4 cup of milk. 1/4 cup of milk, that's what I'm using for my donut. So you'll be adding it. So I just added it now. You mix all together. As you add, you mix, you make your dough very well. Make sure you knead it very well. Guys, as you can see, our dough is very sticky, so you have to add some, just add little flour so that it will help you to knead it very well. It's very sticky because of the egg, so you have to add little flour and you keep kneading so that it will come out well. So as you can see, our dough is now very smooth and soft. Yeah, that is the consistency you need for a donut. It must be smooth and soft. So guys, that is it. So without wasting time, I'll be making use of my surface, my board. That's what I'll be making use of. You would apply flour on top. Make sure so that it won't be sticky, or it will be easy for you to knead. Yeah, or it will be easy for you to work on, anyhow you want to put it. So guys, that is our dough. As you can see, it's very smooth and soft. So we start making our twisted and round donut right away. As you can see, I'm cutting my dough into 2 parts. I'll be working on one part before working on the other part. So now that I've finished cutting, I'll make use of my rolling pin to roll it so that it will be very smooth and easy for me to cut into smaller parts, so that I'll round my donut or twist my donut. So guys, if you don't have a rolling pin, please, it's not an excuse. You can make use of bottle, or if you want, don't roll it. Just make sure that your dough is smooth. Yeah, but if you want to roll it, if you don't have this thing I'm using, my rolling pin, please make sure you can use bottle. Yeah, any Coke bottle or whatever. Make sure you clean it very well and use it to roll your dough. So guys, we just cut it into smaller parts and you use it to work on it. Guys, I'm done cutting it into smaller parts so that it will be easy for me to make my twisted donut and round donut. So I've started doing it. So watch and see the way I will do the twisted donut. I've already done two. I'm sorry that I didn't show you. So watch and see the way I will do this one. You just stretch it and then form it. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with my twisted donut and round donut. So I covered it with my foil. You have to proof it for 45 minutes before baking. I made use of my foil. You can use a neat thick material to cover it and proof it. So after 45 minutes, that's how it's looking like. Yeah, that is it. It will be very easy for you to fry. So we're about frying now. So guys, make sure you add enough oil that will help you to fry your donut well, so that it will come out well. If not, it will suck oil. And please make sure you fry on a medium heat. Make sure you fry on a medium heat with your deep frying pan. That's it. We have started frying. So when it's 2 minutes, you flip to the other side. You keep frying till it turns to golden brown. That's when you know that it's good. And please, as I told you before, you don't have to fry on a high heat because it will affect the inside. Just fry on a medium heat so that it will be your donut will come out very well. Guys, as you can see, our donut came out well. That's the round one. Our donut came out well. I'm so happy. Yeah guys, so that is the twisted ones. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope it added value. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and see you in my next video guys. Bye.